Hello, I'm Ryan Devlin and this is the RMS Short Stories. The very first meeting of what would become the RMS was of 6 students in 1934. They had initially procured a body and had dissected privately in Edinburgh's Anatomical Theatre. Afterwards they met in a tavern and agreed to continue to meet to discuss dissertations. The very first dissertation was on the signs and causes of rabies caninea, which was particularly rampant in the UK in 1934 and 1935. In 1937, the society was officially formed of 10 members who would meet weekly in a tavern near to the university. With this formation also came the creation of the RMS President, Treasurer and Secretary. As membership grew, the RMS looked into building their own property, and from 1771 to 1775, a committee collected funds. 11 Surgeons Square, now the site of Surgeons' Hall for the Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh, held its first meeting on the 26th of April, 1776. The building, at the very right of this image, held a huge library, meeting hall, as well as rooms for anatomy and chemistry. There was even a small dome, originally intended to become an observatory. The hall was left in 1852. All that remains is its founding stone, which still sits in the current RMS. By the mid-19th century, it was becoming apparent that 11 Surgeons Square was too small for the RMS's ever-growing membership. After considering purchasing Berkeley's house from a disgraced Robert Knox, the society moved to 7 Melbourne Place. The second hall's first meeting was on the 19th of November 1852, 1 week after the last meeting of the first hall. The hall was a lavish 5 stories, incorporating an extensive library, meeting hall, museum and room for office bearers. The eagle from the top of the building and the foundation stone from the very first hall still remain at the RMS's current hall today.